If you are a coffee lover, you know that there is not much that's better than freshly ground coffee, truly. Hi, my name is Alicia, and today I want to show you this coffee grinder right here. This has so many amazing features, but let's just start with the stainless steel blades. They are extremely efficient and grind coffee beans to a perfect powder in seconds. The grinder also handles nuts, beans, spices, as well as wet ingredients. And this electric coffee grinder also has a transparent cover, so you can see exactly what's going on. You never have to guess if everything is grinded smoothly or not. You press to start and then release to stop. And it's really that easy. And it also works so well. It also has easy storage. I mean, what more could you ask for in a coffee grinder? This one has it all. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, if you need a high quality coffee grinder, this is the one to get. Bye.